Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify your phone number on Twilio. As you can see, I'm on the website of Twilio, and from here simply click on login, and once you click on login, so you will be sent to this page. Click on sign up, as we do not have any old account, so we will make a new account and simply choose your first and last name. Let's say I have this name John, and last name, simply choose your last name and choose your real name. I'm using a temporary name, so just I can show you. And after that, enter your email address. So you can see I will use this temporary email address to show you, and simply enter that email and choose a password. Like, make a strong password, as this platform do not accept any weak password. So let me make a password, and after that, once you choose your password and enter your email address, click on continue. And once you click on continue, it will send you to another tab. As you can see, we are here, verify your email address. So let's go to verify. I will use this temporary mail. So let's verify our email. Copy this code from here and paste it here and click on verify. And once you click on verify, as you can see, your email has been verified. You will be redirected in a moment. So it will take you to another tab called this tab, verify your phone number. So from here, simply choose your country code. Let's say I choose United States, and enter your phone number here. And once you enter your phone number, you will have two options: send code via SMS or send code via voice call. So you can choose any option, whatever you like, and after that your phone number will be verified. So that is a simple process.